In this video, I'm going to walk you through the dock on macOS. If you're coming from Windows, you probably know the area at the bottom as the taskbar, but on a Mac, we call it the dock. By default, the macOS dock is split into 3 sections, separated by these small vertical lines you see here. The first section holds your pinned apps for quick access. The second section shows your recently opened apps. And the third section, besides holding your Downloads folder and the trash at the end, is where your minimized apps go. For example, if I open an app and hit the Minimize button or use the shortcut Command-M, you'll see the window shrink down into this third section. Now, if you minimize a lot of windows, this area can get pretty crowded, making all your dock icons look tiny. That's why macOS has a hide feature as an alternative to minimize. Instead of Command-M, try hitting Command-H. This hides the app without cluttering the right side of your dock. If you want to hide everything except the app you're currently using, just hit Command-Option-H. Using these shortcuts is a game changer for keeping your workspace clean. Now let's talk customization. macOS gives you plenty of ways to make the dock your own. First, to change its size, you don't even need to open Settings. Just hover over that vertical divider line, click and hold, then drag up to make it bigger or down to make it smaller. If you right-click on that same divider, you'll see the most common settings. There's Turn Hiding On, which automatically hides the dock until you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. Then there's Magnification. This makes icons grow as you hover over them. You can also change the dock's position to the left, right, or keep it at the bottom depending on your workflow. To remove a pinned app, just click and hold the icon, drag it up toward the desktop until you see the Remove tag, and let go. To add one, open Finder, go to Applications, and just drag the app you want down into the dock. You can also drag icons around to reorder them however you like. For more advanced options, head over to Dock Settings or click the Apple menu and select System Settings. On the latest versions of macOS, you're looking for Desktop and Dock. One setting I love here is the Window Title Bar double-click action. It's set to zoom by default, but I prefer fill so that double-clicking the top of a window makes it fill the screen. Also, check out Minimize Windows into Application icon. Turning this on keeps your windows tucked inside the app's main icon instead of creating a separate one on the right. Finally, there's the Show Indicators for Open Applications option. This setting displays a small black dot under the icons of apps that are currently open. If you turn this off, that dot will disappear. Your dock will look a bit cleaner, but the downside is you won't be able to distinguish which apps are actually running. Alright, that's a quick tour of the macOS dock. I hope this helps you get your workspace dialed in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.